Welcome to the Growspec, a vertical system manufacturing. Today I will introduce you multi-layer grow system here. It's a big scale grow system. You can grow from seed to the harvest just only 30 days. I am not talking about from the seedling or the germination. You don't need germination, only directly from seed to the harvest, only and only 30 days. And plants looks very beautiful, very crispy, and pesticide free, soil free. I show you here multiple layers. You can grow multiple layers. You see, very nice. Amazing plants are growing here. You see here, very nice. See leaves looks very beautiful, very beautiful. So please don't forget to follow me and subscribe for the further updates on our systems.